Hi everyone, this is the I decided to do back bumper. I didn't record it because I just got carried away. It was late at night last night. So I've done the rust, cut the metal out, put new metal in and filled it to keep the filler as bare minimum as I can. And I decided as well, this bottom bit here was black. I don't know if you see it in the video when I washed the car. I've sprayed that as well, and also there was corrosive on these rear sensors because made out of alloy, and once that salt water gets in there from the winter months, it just makes them like corrode and oxidise, whatever it's called, with aluminium. So it's all mashed up, car's covered. Don't want to get overspray on that roof. Even though I'm refurbing the alloys, I'm still going to cover them up because I don't want to make more work than needed. So I'm going to now, so what I've done is I've high build primered the areas where I've filled. There's a couple of areas here, I don't remember the hole that was there. So I filled that, and there's some crack in there. So there is a bump on it's very rare, very slight. And what it is what I discovered was, it's got a tow bar on a convertible, I know, but yeah, it's got a tow bar. I'll show you guys. There you go. And it's got the electric as well. So I don't know what's that. I don't know what's going on there. But yeah, it's got a tow bar. So yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and yes. So the tow bar is underneath, and it's got brackets that come up here to there and there. Now I'd like to get the bumper off and get this tow bar off because it's just weight that I don't need, because I'm not going to put a tow bar on it. And I've got that bolt out, and they slide out the bottom. You've got little holes which are there, and they slide out the bottom, but that one is just spinning. Now I'm assuming, no, not took it off, I don't know what they're like underneath. I'm assuming when it comes up, it's got like a thread that's like tack welded to the top of the bracket, and it's just spinning, unfortunately. Yeah, so what turns out to be like a 10-minute job to get the bumper off these, I can't even get it off, and I tried quite a lot, and I could, if I keep hitting it, I could get it off, but I thought, you know what, I'll just spray it while it's in place. So, because shockingly, them sensors work. If they didn't work, me being me, I'd have took the bumper off, because I'd have to replace them, because I can't stand that bibbing noise when it doesn't do anything. So, yeah, so I'm now going to get the silver and mix it up and get it sprayed on. Okay, so I've got the silver on. Just about to mix the lacquer. I'm using this stuff, 2:1 ratio. I like this lacquer. It's quite expensive, but it's really good. It goes off quick, and it minimises drips and runs. And I'm really liking the that bottom piece there being silver. It's just the way it curves up and it shines. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, I like that a lot. So I'm glad I've done it now. Yeah. Got my LED lights on the way with new Falcon reverse lights, and badges and new plates to put on. So yeah, loving it. Right, I'm going to get the lacquer on now. Okay, so I've got it all cleaned up and everything. The colour match is identical, so I'm happy with that. It's a bit silver can be strange and horrible to match, so I've also got my plate on. Yeah, I've got them on the way with LEDs, and because this is a pre-facelift, I thought it was just a straight fitment, because I've had a few series before, but it must have been a facelift model. I can't remember, you know, because I bought LED lights and I didn't have the trouble I've got now. And I noticed on eBay, you get this harness which changes the harness so it can be used on the pre-facelift, because they didn't do LED in the pre-facelift. And it's a bit sketchy, this is a bit hit and miss, because apparently you might have to code it. You might have to code the lights to the car. So I'm not out of the woods yet, but I'm hoping just with this conversion wire. I did look at the plugs and they are completely different. So yeah, so I've looked at the plugs, so I've done a little bit of research, and the plugs that for the pre-facelift LED fitments is a lot thicker than these plugs. So it's a bit of a, I will get it to work one way or the other, because a few people have done it and they said they can flicker, but I don't want it to flicker. I want it to be right. So I think it's something to do with the twin light, and the LED's only got a single light. Or I think it's something to do as well with the braking system, because I don't know if the pre-facelift has it, but I know the facelift have them, is when you brake hard they flash. So I'm not entirely sure, and I think these are double elements, whereas the facelift ones is a single. If it were to be LED, not LED, it would be a single element, because it just puts more voltage to the light to make it brighter. So the facelift ones, I believe, if they got this, if it's just a standard BM that has them lights, they just go brighter. And the LED ones, I believe, flash. So I think that's why. So they fit, but apparently you can have a bit of trouble getting them to work. So so hopefully they work. Yeah, but oh, and I sprayed this here as well. I put some plastic primer on it, then high build primer, flattened it, trace coated it, flattened it, and look at that, look how it's come up smooth. No orange peel, and the same with the bumper as well, nice and smooth. I've sprayed all the reversing sensors as well, check they still work if they do. Yeah, so that rust now is gone. Yeah, so I've got quite a bit to do on this yet. So I've got the alloys, the quarter panel, because that didn't, I had just, you know, touched it up because it was doing me a din. I'm going to leave that till last because that's not priority, because it is still looking clean. So I'm going to take the alloys off at some point, redo them myself, and the bonnet. I want to do the bonnet because it's got a dint there that I need to get out, and it's got flaky peely lacquer. I've ordered new badges, and I've ordered these grills. I were going to spray these, but they're 20 quid on eBay delivered, so it was pointless. And I've ordered as well new indicators, because these are looking a bit dated and old. They've got cracks in. This one's had water in it, so it's lost its silver in the back. The lights themselves are pretty good for plastic. This weekend I'm going to take the bumper off, get rid of that hideous red. I've ordered new fog light for this side because it's missing. I've got the other side just not fitted. Might as well not fit it now because I'm taking the bumper off. Yeah, so hopefully this bumper comes off, not like the back one. I don't know if I've put it in the video. Yeah, one of the bolts just turned, so I had to spray it in situ. And this one needs a lot of work on it because it's got cracks. It's yeah, it needs a lot of work on this bumper. It's got cracks down here as well, so I have to buzz that right down, get that down there, because it'll just come straight through again. So at some point it's hit a curb and it's caused a stress and bent it. You see that? So this needs taking off, and it needs a good job on that. So front bumper, front bonnet, bumper, front grills, new badge, indicators. This side looks alright, but I've ordered two anyway. And also what I noticed as well, this front wing, I don't know if to get a new one. Oh no, I thought I could see rust. No, there isn't. Must have just been them scratches. Oh yeah, there was rust there, the little bubbles. So I'm tempted to put a new wing on it, or they'll just top this up for now. I don't know what to do. It's tricky, and it's only going to come back, isn't it? maybe just start it up for now, see how much they are. I think they're about 60-70 quid for the wings. At least it's done then, isn't it? I don't know what's involved taking them off. Hopefully don't have to take the door off. I don't think it's a big job to take the wing off. But yeah, yeah, it's a wing. Everything else is, you know what, it's a clean car. It's just so yeah, it's in relatively okay condition for the age, but just needs my perfection on it. And I have to clean the roof as well. Still needs, what I've done is I've just got all the crap off, all the rubbish off and the dirt and stuff, and still needs another go. But yeah, and it needs a new driver's seat as well, because that is hideous. The other seat's okay, but that one, and obviously I've done the steering wheel. So yeah, all the steering wheel, I don't think I put that up yet, but yeah, I've recovered it and restitched it.